Yes, Jamaica, it just get funny. Yeah, man. As Sam Zimori, they talk to you, man. Take time out and listen to this one. True story. It's like, one evening, Bob Marley come from the studio, and go home and say to Rita, yeah, man, come go on Rastaman convention, all you can eat. So Rita say, yes, eating is my thing. So them get ready and drive on and reach on there. So Bob Marley see some brethren and say, Rita, I'm going to heal up them star, so go and enjoy yourself. So Rita walk up on the buffet line and start eat. And Bob Marley look over there and spot him and say, yo, you have to go stop that queen, because I know what go on, So Bob Marley walk over there and say, Rita, you can't eat so much color to run down, them things you run belly. So Bob Marley say, alright. Left him and gone and talk again. Rita, still I eat. So Bob Marley say, Star, you know what? Now go home, Hey Rita, come on, me ready. So then go down and start the car and lock the door, And Rita did it, bend up in his belly start to hurt him now, and Rita start saying, Bob, belly hurt me, So Bob say, yo, don't Bob me, man, then tell us them things they run belly. So Bob did it, on the drive, and say, Bob lick a speed bump, and Rita squeeze one, So Bob start bend up in his face after Bob smell that thing there. Bob they say, what this to me? Rita, you put on me, man. So Rita said, no, Bob, no, I'm not put on you. So Bob said, yes, sir, you put on eye. So Rita said, no, Bob. So Bob look on him serious and say, Rita, you say if you don't put on me, there must be a natural mistake blowing this year. You see it? Hey, Rita, you know, so me are the original gang. You know, so me ride concrete jungle. And I shot the sheriff and see him fall in a one drop. After me shot the sheriff and see him fall in a one drop, me just jam on to Pimpers Paradise. If you go check Cindy, me one love, you go steer it up. After me check Cindy, me one love, you go steer it up. And me look through Cindy window and the lights them turn down low. And me find out say Cindy, me just buffalo soldier it out. And you say me buffalo soldier it out. And me find out say Cindy gone with man to man. Me just start war up in a this. And yes, after me war up in a this and kill off enough people and no woman no cry. Me just Zimbabwe, cause you have to stand up for your right. And what do you man? And left it crazy baller them and the sheriff them and Zimbabwe, After me Zimbabwe and sit down and me am up on one big tree, so. And me say, 3 little birds sing. Me say, right, me just turn my Bible to Exodus. And looking at myself and say, this must be a redemption song. Hey, African, unite!